If there is one plant that can be used for both medicinal and beauty care purposes, then that plant is aloe vera. This green plant with its prickly, ugly appearance contains a number of benefits for our skin and hair. Due to this, it has been widely used as an ingredient in lotions and other products ranging from shampoos and conditioners to skin lotions and mouthwashes. But you don't have to spend money on expensive products to benefit from aloe vera. You can use the gel straight from the plant to take care of your skin and hair. It treats hair loss, moisturizes your scalp, stimulates strand growth, prevents dandruff, removes makeup, fights wrinkles, cleanses the skin deeply, fights acne. Many people prefer to buy pre-extracted gel because it's easier. The problem is that it can be hard to choose a good quality gel, or else you won't get the results you want. In order to make sure you're using a product packed with beneficial properties, you can make your own aloe vera oil at home. Ingredients: 1 aloe vera leaf, extra virgin olive oil, 1 glass pot, preferably dark. Instructions: remove the gel pulp from the aloe vera leaf by removing all the peel. Chop the gel into small pieces and place them in a glass container with the help of a funnel if necessary. Then add the extra virgin olive oil, enough to cover all the gel. Store the pot in a dark place for a week and don't touch it. Once the time is up, your oil is ready to use. You can apply the oil directly to your skin to treat acne or acne scars. It can also be incorporated into face masks to clean and exfoliate. In order to use it on your hair, you can apply the oil directly to your scalp. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it out with cold water. Aloe vera not only nourishes and moisturizes your strands, helping them to grow stronger and faster, but it also prevents hair loss and dandruff. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.